everyone, welcome to Rashmi's Vlog Life. So today's video is such an interesting video, a huge haul video which I wanted to post. If you want to know anything related to the COVID-19 disease related like vaccine, even after vaccine people are getting COVID, or even after COVID some people will get a second time COVID, some like how it works or why people are getting heart related problems. If you want to know anything related to these, you can ask me in comment section. I'll do a detailed video related to this. A quick disclaimer, this is not a show off, just I bought for myself, so this is not like a whole bunch I bought together. Some I bought little earlier, so together I segregated and I made a haul video for you people. It's a stationery haul video and I am a stationery freak. I hope people who watch, if you people also love stationeries, means just comment below this video and let's get into this video. Hope you will all enjoy the stationery haul. Let me start with pens. So I bought Uniball Click Gel, so one in black, red and two in blue, and I got refills for this. So apart from Uniball's Click Gel, I too got Uniball's Signo. This is also a beautiful pen, and these pens are 0.7 mm. So I bought in blue. Same, I bought refills for these also. Gliding is so smooth, you can see it. I love retractable pens, so it's very easy to use and it's very easy to take notes. And the same type of collection I've got it in Pentel. So this is another brand. I love this one also. It's also 0.7. So I got black, blue and red. So these are the blues, little higher range, but these I think this cost is 30, this cost is 40 and this one is 100, and for this 100 rupees Uniball gel you need the refill is 50, and for this it's 30 rupees. So in this click-on gel range in Uniball you'll get green also. This I bought for my hubby. So these are the collection they have in 4 ranges. I bought few 5 rupees pens which will be useful for me, and these two are from Pantone. One of the best thing in art gel I love is this stick pen. So this range is art gel soft line. So these are 0.4, these two, and these are 0.5. The Pentonic one, easy to use and so comfy, thin one. So I'll show neon pens in collection. So I'll show in higher range and also in lower range. So first I'll show the higher range. These are quite a lot from Uniball. One more pen. That's my husband's pen. Few I have used a lot. I bought these for my book reading, journaling. So these two I ran out, but I have backup for the blue one, not for the green, and this green is for my husband, and the white one, and 2 pink and 1 purple and 1 silver and gold. Let me show one of this. These are also Signo range only, 0.7 only. This white I bought for my painting work or journaling and art work. So these are the higher version. I guess where pen is 60 rupees, I'll go for this one. And I don't know about this art line, but this one also good one in art line. don't know the price, but definitely this is a higher range only. You can get in lower price also. I don't know the flare gel's price. Somewhere in the screen I'll be mentioning it. Five neon pen they have in this. One of the best finding is this pen. I don't know the cost, probably somewhere around 200. So it's 0.7 only. This is a semi gel. I think the name is Glide. So it's a colored semi gel ink pen, and I love the color range. It's all pastel one. Quite range in this kind of pens. One more version I have 8 pens in this. This one is 10. I ran out of the gels in this because I use it for my journaling or reading books. These are the one in unicorn, and this one also in unicorn, but this is a black, blue and red, but they gave in pastel color. Best one is this. This is the pen I needed the most. Every time I use this. I bought 3 pencils. So these are mechanical pencils only. This one is from Uniball. These 2 are from Uniball only. Salaku. One is 0.7 and 0.5 range. 0.7. This one is 0.5. I have these kind of collections a lot with me. Why I love this kind of pencil? It's 2 mm black outer lead pencil. So it's a eco-friendly also. And what you have to do is when you want to sharpen it, they will give a sharpener in backside of this pencil. So you can sharpen it how much you want. It's similar to the pencil type only, but in the mechanical format. This particular pencil type, you need these kind of leads, a thicker version one. And I got few collections of. I didn't buy any color corrections this time because I have this kind of set almost. This one is I think I was using it in my UG and PG Tech and MTech. I was using this. I have stock left over, so I'm using this. Once this get over, I ordered few in Amazon and everything got stuck, so I'll be getting it very soon. So I'll go into eraser category. So this one is it's an electric eraser. Since have ligament tear issue, I can't do anything with this hand. So I need for my painting and or drawings, everything I need erasers. So I bought this one. I don't want to harshly do it, just like that gently. If I press back, it will do the work. See, I'll show again. All you need is 2 batteries. So mechanism is this, and I got extra erasers they itself provide, and they give one fan also, 200. And apart from this, I have a little bit like a childish version, I can say. I have these erasers, but I don't use it. I just keep it. It's looking so pretty. I can't even touch that. One more eraser is this one. This is from Tombow. So one of my favorite stationery brand, which I love a lot. Unfortunately, all my packages are stuck due to the COVID. So this one I have for almost. I thought I would show this one also. This is this I bought almost 2-3 years back, I guess. It's new. It's a Mono Zero elastomer eraser. Gave me one eraser only, but I bought this set because I needed it. If I ran out of it, I need this. So I'll show you it looks like a lead pencil type only. This is how it appears. This particular eraser cost is 315. Next, I'll be quickly jumping into my calligraphy stuff. So I have calligraphy pen. Priorly, I used to practice. This one is from Zic. The brand name is Zic. Cost is 225. They give 3 versions of calligraphy pens. Okay, this one is 1 mm, and this one is 3 mm, and this one is 2 mm thickness. And apart from this, I bought this one also. This is also calligraphy styling only. So I got few nibs for this. I think each is 20. Each nib is 20 and this one is 35 rupees. I bought a cheaper version. I don't want to buy the costly one. I want to let me try in this, then I can think about that. But I have this kind of version again, one more, which is an old one I used to practice. So these are the nibs for the calligraphy. I didn't buy calligraphy ink. Instead of that, I bought this one just for the practice. I need to put so much money in calligraphy ink. So first let me try in this kind of a basic ink. I guess this cost is almost 25 rupees. It's like very cheaper when we compare to the calligraphy ink. I got 3 markers. Being a researcher, I need markers a lot with me. So quickly let me jump into these things. So this one is Camlin white paint for my artwork only, and so this is again from Uniball only, Uniposca. I guess the cost is almost nearly 200, I guess so. This one is metallic silver range. It's new. I didn't even try it, so now only I'm trying this one. I love this texture, that's why I bought this one. And I have in gold version also. Gold I have already tried it. This is also Uniball. I guess this is also almost 200 range. I bought this one from stationery shop, not even from any online. See how it is. It's not even working. I tried my level best to work with this. Look at the nib and how it is. It's so worst and pathetic. But I think silver is working good. Yeah, compared to this, it's far better one. You can see the glide and everything. So what I did is I bought from Zig, again from Zig brand. This is a metallic painting. For my painting purpose, I bought this one. I bought one in rose gold since I'm like crazy fan for rose gold versions. Metallic editions for my painting purpose. Let me jump into this highlighter section. So first I'll show this one is from Flair. This is a erasable version. They come with 5 colors, all pastel colors only. One is yellow, one is blue, one in green, one in rose, and one in purple. So quite a good colors. This cost is almost 25 rupees only. You can erase it if you have any mistake in this. See. I saw this range of pens. I thought I'll try these 3 first. So this is a highlighter pen, 0.8 mm thickness, and I think the cost is almost 60 plus only, not below than that. So quite a cute neon highlighting pen. So beautiful pen. I thought I should have bought other collections from this brand. I don't know the brand name is this one. This is from MAP. So I love this collection also. This kind of highlighters, it comes with 5. Fluo pens. I bought a few more highlighters. This one is from Twin Orque. So in every range they have one neon indigo color, and they have another orange or green or pink. This is another my favorite brand which I love a lot, Schneider. This one is Faber-Castell. And I love this one. This one is from Faber-Castell only, text liner super gel. I'll show you how it looks. It appears like a crayon or a gel type. So smooth and so glidey one. Like it feels good when you work with this kind of highlighter for any steady purpose. Jump into the painting section. I bought this one, a glass painting one, because I have one particular glass which I needed to paint it in my room. So I bought this one because my mom used to paint a lot, mom and dad, so I thought I'll buy this one. This have a glass liner and a few colors, like this one is coffee brown. This one is a horizon blue. This one is moss green. This one is ruby red. And this one is a bright yellow. And I have a solvent base from Camlin. So the cost is 190. I have some idea for my glass window. I need to paint something for my glass window. That's why I bought this. Once when I do the painting, I'll show you how I paint in glass windows. A few more collections. I have bought this Sky Glory. Seriously, I'm saying I needed to try for a brush pen types. But this one is not my cup of tea because it's not working properly. I spent almost 300 to 400 range only. 12 colors. Few of the colors are not working, that's why. I needed a fine liner in different versions, so I bought this one because I have another set of fine liners, but still I need to try this basic one. This is from Luxor. And I have brush pens from Camlin. I love this range. Probably I'll buy 2 more from this range. It's very cheap. I guess it's 91 rupees for a pack of 6. I think almost 180 for pack of 12. No. Yes, pack of 12 is 180, I guess so. And they have 300 range also, which I need to buy. It's like out of stock every time when I try it. You can play with this. I bought Faber-Castell's 12 watercolors. I have 24 one in Camlin, but it's gonna run out. So I needed another one, so I bought this version because they have pink, which is not there in that. That's why 185. And one of the best collection I bought is this one. I guess this cost is almost 350 to 400 something. They have 48 colors in this. Starting from neon, they go for metallic, they go for glitters, and they go for pastels. Everything is 1 mm only thickness. It's new, so I need to work on it to work with me. Okay, I'll show one more pen which I love a lot. I use a lot. So this one is little heavy and the beautiful gel pen from Unicorn version. I love unicorns a lot. If you have seen my birthday theme, it's a unicorn one. It have a light. So this one is a black version gel pen. So I love these two a lot. These two are unicorn versions only. Few of my notebook matrix built A4 size. So I prefer for a spiral with white or metal or gold, not in a black. I don't like that. I bought this furry notebooks for my journal purpose. Almost 1.5 years old. It's so soft. Unicorn theme in this also. Like I said, I don't like black springs or black spirals, so I have this one is a paper cloth, a light, bit expensive notebook, but I love a lot. The brand is amazing. The texture, everything is GSM is so good. The quality, you won't get the bleed. And I guess this one is a 5 subject notebook. I don't know the brand name. Okay, I have one more. This one is from Solo brand. I love this notebooks. It's a 5 subject notebook only. I guess this cost is almost 300 something, 350. I guess 350, and this one is somewhere around 300. This one is Paper Club Elite is almost 395, and this one is almost 100, not more than that. I love this brand. And 70 GSM paper. It is not that kind of a bleed through notebook. You can prefer this kind of notebook if you want to scribble it. In stick note ranges, I bought few things. These are the stick notes I bought. It will be useful for me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you all like this video, and anything related to the stationery haul or a review of any particular product in the stationery items, just comment below. I'll be doing that too. And few of my packages are waiting. Hope when I get my packages back, I'll be posting those videos also. I'll see you all in another interesting video. Take care of you. Bye bye. God bless you all with a healthy life.